Fashion is an area that may not readily be associated with sustainability, but sustainability is just as important in that industry as in others. Fashion designers have to be aware of everything from the type of material they use, as well as the inks and processes in creating a garment, and what happens with the offcuts. Sustainability in design is of prime importance to Material Byproduct, a Melbourne label run by Chantal, Susan and Erin.
I think sustainability is a fundamental reality of being a design studio, and having the expectation of existing and continuing into the future, we all have to really assess the role of sustainability in what we do.
I think one of the main ways that we practice sustainably is in the way that we cut cloth. We've innovated these methods of cutting the cloth quite minimally, so very little waste is generated in the production of our clothing.
The main method of sustainability in fashion design is in the reduction of waste, something the girls are tackling in a new and innovative way.
We've been working on a concept called Mark for some time, which is a system of both business and of design that we are slowly inventing, whereby we can take leftover garments back into the studio. So garments that are left over at the end of a retail season, we can take them back and continue the design process on them and then put them back into retail, so that essentially a garment at the end of the season doesn't lose value and go on sale. It actually comes back to the workroom and has another layer of design added to it and goes back out onto the shop floor.
So, just like architecture, in both graphic design and fashion design, the choices that are made at the inception of an idea will shape its impact on the environment. With graphic design and printing, the main areas of sustainability to be considered are in the use of recycled paper and biodegradable inks. In fashion design, designers rely on heavy reuse of materials to avoid wastage and recycling of older materials in new designs.